Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing something we haven't done in a while, and we're going to be building a Minecraft Transformer in vehicle mode. And this is Transformers Armada Galvatron. And this is from like 2002 or somewhere around there, so it is a pretty old Transformer design at this point, but I recently acquired one of these figures after 20 years of not having one, so I wanted to build it. An Armada Galvatron is a Cybertronian tank of made-up origin here. So let's get into our build. French Fried Trains is a channel for adult railbands and Minecrafters, and is not intended for children under 13 years of age. This is a fan channel for fun. We are not affiliated in any way with Microsoft or Mojang. This is not an official Minecraft product. And as a friendly reminder, I do not take requests at all. Thank you and enjoy the video. Now eagle-eyed viewers will notice this is the same thing as the Armada Megatron we did a few months back, which is true. In the show and the toy line, when Megatron powered up into Galvatron, it was essentially the same tank and a new color scheme, so this is just a recolor of our previous Megatron build. So we're going to start off on the front corner with lodestone block. And we're going to put a row of 4 lodestone blocks with a gap of space between each one. Then put a deep slate tile slab in between all 3 spaces. And then on the inner side of it here, we're going to do 2 rows of 7 deep slate tile blocks here. Then once we have that, on the back we're going to put 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs going this way. And on the front, 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs going this way. Then on the second layer on top of this, we're just going to cover this whole thing 3 wide in smooth quartz blocks. Then we're going to go to this back corner with this back block, but not the stair. Count out 5 blocks, and on the 6th block, we'll put a deep slate tile block to mark it. So there's 5 blocks of space between here. And then we're going to make this a 2x7 of deep slate tile blocks lined up with the other side. Then on this outer edge of it, we'll put 4 lodestone blocks with a gap of space between each one, and a deep slate tile slab between all 3 spaces. Then again, put 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs going backwards on the back, and 3 upside down stairs going forwards on the front. Then on top of this, again, we're going to cover this 3 wide on top with smooth quartz blocks. Just like that. Then on top of the front end only, put 3 oak stairs here and 3 on top of this side. Up here, we're going to put 2 skeleton skulls in this corner, and then 2 in this corner on this side. Then we're going to swing around on top here. Right here, do this T-shape of crimson slabs. Skip one in another T-shape, and then up here, a T-shape on this side going the other way. Then we're going to go back here and put 2 iron trapdoors here. On the side of this, on the second smooth quartz block back, put an upside down forward facing crimson stair. Behind the stair on top, 4 crimson planks, then an upside down crimson stair going backwards, and a crimson top slab here. Then come underneath this, and we're going to put 2 crimson slabs down here, skip 1 back and 1 here. Then the other side's slightly different because this is asymmetrical. We're going to come on this side on the second block back, upside down crimson stair going forward, then 4 planks, an upside down stair going backwards, and then a top slab. Then come down here and put 2 crimson slabs down here, skip 1 back and 1 here. Then we'll move up on top of the back, and we're going to put iron trapdoor in each corner in front of it to a line of oak slabs down the center, so you're right behind these skeleton skulls like this. Then we'll come up in between here at the back of it. Between these back stairs on bottom, go 5 wide of netherite blocks right here, and go behind this and extend it so it's 4 blocks long of netherite, so it's a 5x4 in the center here. Then on top of the front, add a netherite block on each side, one in the middle. Then a polished deep slate wall in the two gaps. Here, put a crimson top slab on the bottom and a crimson plank above it. Then on the second layer, add 2 crimson bottom slabs on either side of this like that. And then 3 coming forward here, and 3 on this side. Turn this way and open 3 crimson fence gates here. Turn around and same thing on this side, open 3 fence gates right here. Then on the center of this, we're actually going to add 1 more crimson plank right here in the middle, sticking forward. Then come behind this, and we're going to put 3 light blue terracotta on either side and fill the middle of the second layer with netherite. Then behind this, on the bottom center, we're going to do 4 netherite blocks down the middle and another 4 on top. Then fill each side 2 wide with cyan terracotta and 2 blocks tall, like this. Now we'll do the back treads. So on bottom on the side, on this back netherite block, put 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs going this way. Then on this outer edge, 4 lodestone blocks with a gap of space between each one. Put a deep slate tile slab between all 3. And then 2 rows of 7 deep slate tile blocks right here, coming back. Finally, 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs going backwards here. We will repeat that on this side. So on this back netherite, 3 upside down forward facing deep slate tile stairs. On the outer edge, 4 lodestone blocks with a gap of space between each one. And then a deep slate tile slab between all 3. And then 2 rows of 7 deep slate tile blocks behind it. And then 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs going backwards here. Then on top of this tread section, start right here and just cover it 3 wide with smooth quartz blocks on top. Same thing on this side, go 3 wide with smooth quartz blocks on top of this tread section as well, and bring it to the back of it here, just like that. Then we're going to come up here on this second layer and add 2 smooth quartz blocks here, and then 2 right here on this side. Then on this side up here, put 2 rows of 3 smooth quartz blocks right here. Then down on this second layer on the side of it, add 2 white stained glass panes right here. Behind these blocks up here, we're going to put 3 backward facing smooth quartz stairs. Behind the stairs, do 3 iron trapdoors. Then turn this way and do a forward facing smooth quartz stair in the middle. Then 1 block back here and here, and a smooth quartz block between them. Then behind this, just do a 3x3 of smooth quartz blocks up here. Then do 2 iron trapdoors here, and 1 here and here. Then on the side, right here, do 4 white stained glass panes here, and then 3 up here so it looks like this. Then we're going to come up here and put an iron trapdoor there. Now that side's done, and we'll come over and do the other side. Up here, on the front of this, do the T-shape of smooth quartz blocks like this, and a white stained glass pane here and here. Then an iron trapdoor on the top middle. Come behind this, on the side here, put 2 skeleton skulls here. Up here, do a 2x2 of iron trapdoors. Then do a forward facing smooth quartz stair here, 1 here and here, smooth quartz block in the middle. And then behind this, a 3x3 of smooth quartz blocks. Then on the center up here, we're going to put 3 iron trapdoors in the middle, then 1 here and here. On the side of this here, come down on this second layer, and we're going to do a row of 5 white stained glass panes here, then 4 up here. On the back of this smooth quartz on the bottom layer, put 2 rows of 3 black stone brick slabs sticking out here, and same thing on this side here. Then on the second layer of the smooth quartz up here, we're going to do 1 row of 3 black stone brick block. And same thing here, 1 row of 3 black stone brick block here. Finally, on top of the back, 3 backward facing black stone brick stairs here, and 3 here. Then we're going to come up on this middle netherite block right here, put a black stone brick block in the center right here. And we're going to surround it on all 4 sides with an outward facing blackstone brick stair like this. On top of this central blackstone brick block, a crimson plank, then 2 planks to the front and 2 to the back. Behind it, do a row of 5 smooth quartz blocks on this level in the middle. Then we're going to come up on top of the front of these crimson planks, and on the second block back, we're going to put a single crimson trap door here, then a crimson slab, then 2 crimson planks. Behind it, on top, do 5 white wool right here, like this. And that'll be the center of the turret. Next, we'll swing over on this other side here and take out white wool. And on the side of this plank, we're going to put 1 white wool here. And then behind that, we're going to do 2 rows of 3 white wool. On the front, on top, we're going to put a smooth quartz slab here and here, and a purple block here. Behind it, do 2 smooth quartz, then 2 white wool on top. Then behind this on the side of the turret, do a 2 by 2 by 2 of smooth quartz blocks, and on the side of this, close a 2 by 2 of birch trapdoors here. Then down in this back corner here, do 3 smooth quartz blocks here, then 2 here, and a white stained glass pane in the corner. Then 3 smooth quartz blocks up here, with 3 skeleton skulls on the side here. Next, up here on top, put 2 iron trapdoors right here. Then we'll do the other side of the turret, which is asymmetrical. So we're going to come up here, right here on bottom, do this L shape of smooth quartz blocks like this. Then put a bamboo slab here and here with a smooth quartz block like that. Behind this, do a 2 by 2 of smooth quartz blocks, then a 2 by 2 of polished deep slate walls. Then put 1 iron trapdoor up here. Then behind these polished deep slate walls, do 2 rows of 3 smooth quartz and make it 2 blocks tall. On the side of this top wall, close a birch trapdoor here. Then put 3 birch fence gates up here like this. On top, 3 iron trapdoors here. Then we're going to go on this back corner. Do 2 upside down blackstone brick stairs here, 2 blackstone brick blocks on top, and coming off the back of the blocks, put 2 rows of 3 lightning rods like this. Then on the second block back on the top middle, we're going to put a smooth quartz slab in the center right here, then 2 diorite slabs and a smooth quartz slab in the middle. Finally, we have to do the gun, so we're going to come up on this front crimson plank in the middle here, put 3 end stone brick walls. On this side only, put a oak fence gate going this way and 2 going this way behind it. Coming off these walls, do 6 nether brick walls right here. And finally, 2 crimson planks on the front of the walls to finish off the gun. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Minecraft Transformers Armada Galvatron Cybertronian tank. Something a little different for today, and I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.